Occasionally you need a lightweight technique for generating DOM elements without using templates. You could manually build a string and have jQuery generate a DOM element for you, or you could add a bit of structure using Backbone's make method. Adding a bit of structure is what Backbone is all about. The three arguments to the make method are the type of the element to create, the attributes to set on the element, and the value of the element. In this example, the type of the element is h3. The attributes are a class attribute with the value not very important, and the value is preliminary version. The comment at the bottom is the element that would be created. This is the example from the slides. h3, not very important class, and the value preliminary version. If I run this example, it's going to dump that element to the console, and you can see that it creates the HTML DOM element that we expect. Remove is a method that removes the view's element from the DOM. It's equivalent to calling jQuery's remove method on the $L property. Calling remove when a view is no longer required is an important first step towards preventing memory leaks. To demonstrate the view's remove method, let's start by defining a Backbone model. This model represents the data that we're going to render into a header, and it contains a single attribute, content, with the value historical context. So the next thing we need is a header view to render a header. And it's a custom view extending from backbone.view. It's going to render as a p tag, also known as a paragraph. And in the render function, I'm going to set the content of the view's element to the model's content attribute. Now I declare an instance of the header view and provide my header model as data for the view. And with jQuery, I'll render the view and add it to the document body. Call the render function, access the element. If I run this code, it's going to create a view based upon my model and add it to the document. There it is. If we have a look at the markup, it's created a paragraph tag with the content historical context. It's exactly what we were trying to do. Okay, so now I can use the view's remove method. If I run the code again, it's going to create that paragraph, add it into the document, and then immediately remove it. Like that, so the paragraph's gone. The remove function is just a convenient way to remove the view's element from the document.